Ah! Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hey guys, welcome to Red's Show. This will be the vlog last Saturday nang pumunta kami din sa Star City. So yeah. Hey, what's up guys? May Star City ngayon and I'm with... Hi! Or I'm with Dane and manlilibre siya ng Star City ngayon, so pupunta kami ngayon. And it's currently 4 and we're on our line to get our ticket. I'm with Dane.
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Wow! What's up you guys? It's Star City na kami dalawa ay mag-snowboard. Dane, nasan ka na? Magpapulot ng tayo na Actually, it was my third time to be in Star City, I think, if I correctly remember it. The first time was still back in college for a humanities subject. Yeah, I don't know how it is related to that, but yeah, for a humanities subject. And the second one was with a friend and his family. So, if I really remember it correctly, this is my third time and I had so much fun. Galing na namin sa Star Flyer, ngayon magja-jungle splash naman kami. Galing kami ron. Magja-jungle splash naman po kami naroon. Hi!
Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Going up. Hi guys, this is our third ride. Right after Music Express, nag-Star Frisbee naman kami. Pumili si Dane, tapos ako naglagay ng bag sa locker. Very excited talaga ako masakyan to kasi nung first time ko dito, ito yung isa sa mga una kong sinakyan na super akong kinabahan pero nag-enjoy ako. Tapos din diretso naman kami sa time tunnel where we took a lot of pictures, like sobrang dami. And we head on to meet some locals. Hi there, horse. Horse, like, why not? Magandang gabi po. Then we found our goods is here, waiting with his all-well friends. Nakita ko itong mga sa beach house kagabi. Hey, know the gone viral sa X yan. Tapos nag-Vikings naman kami, which our second balik kasi nung una ang daming sumisingit kaya hindi mo na kami sumakay. Pero this time okay naman na siya. This is me trying to reach my dreams. Finally, nakasakay na kaming dalawa pero hindi ganun ka bongga ng impact kasi nag-extreme race na kami sa labas, diba? And actually legit, bumirit kaming dalawa ng one last time habang umaandar siya. Nung first time ko nga makapunta ng Star City nung college ako, ito yung una namin sinakyan agad. Tapos grabe, hindi ko maipakita sa kanila pero weirded out na yung pakiramdam ng hinilig shed ko. Pero ngayon wala talaga siyang effect. And don't dare judge Yap Boy because I was a Valenzuela boy before I became a Manila boy. And that's the tea. Then I grabbed some food before Snow World. The corner of your dreams, everybody.
In the Snow World. Ding, ding, ding.
Sobrang lamig sa loob na manhid talaga yung kamay ko. Tapos may usok talaga hininga.
Hi guys, kakatapos na namin mag Snow World. And now we're gonna go and ride the Ferris wheel. Let's go.
So, ayun siya. Papunta na siya ng Ferris wheel. Medyo excited siya. Hi!
Hey, what's up guys? Currently we're in the Ferris wheel and we're galing naman sa taas. Medyo underwhelming yung Ferris wheel experience, but regardless, masaya naman siya para sa amin kasi kasama kami si Dave. Si Dave. After this, I'm just gonna show you all the Ferris wheel vision. I think earlier nung nasa taas kami, nagpapakos. Thanks guys! Bale, pakiramdam ko talaga yung mga nag-e-enjoy lang dun sa Ferris wheel is yung mga magjojowa kasi magkakaroon sila ng extreme lovey-dovey moment. Pero ako hindi ako ganun nag-enjoy kaya sinabi kong underwhelming. Even though alam kong safe siya, hindi talaga nawawala yung worry sa akin na baka bumagsak yung sinasakyan namin. Si Dane nga, ang tapang-tapang niya, tumitingin pa siya dun sa mga barred windows. Kaya kapag pupunta ako dun sa kabilang side, nakikipagpalit talaga ako sa kanya. Gusto ko sa kabila siyang side. We never umupo na magkatabi kasi natatakot talaga ako maging unbalance yung weight ng sinasakyan namin. Kaya ang tapang-tapang niya. Tapos takot na takot ako ng sobra-sobra. Tapos nag-tornado kami after ng Ferris wheel kung saan may nakatabi kaming cute na baby boy.
And we're sitting here now. Hi, Dane.
Hi, Red! Epic!
Lol, nag-Music Express ulit kami tapos hindi ko na siya na-vlog kasi nag-charge na ako ng phone. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
So, this is actually us riding the carousel right after the Star Jumper. And that is me talking with the kids. Puro bata yung kasama namin dun sa ride kaya okay lang naman din sa tsaka di mahaba yung pila kasi late na.
And we're riding the carousel. Hi, kids!
And that concludes our Star City trip, folks. Hope you had a lot of fun watching us, and also I hope you had a lot of fun watching my first vlog. Let's cheer to more vlogs to come, shall we? And also, always remember to be there for your friends and stay in the real world. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my first vlog. See ya! And by the way, watch until the end to see what happened after our Star City. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much again. Bye bye, guys. At Valenzuela bound na tayo ng 3 AM at bago pa siguro mag 3:30 nakarating na rin ako ng bahay. Good night everybody. Drink responsibly.